falta la niña.
What are we doing after this?
Jet skiing.
Huh?
Jet skiing. Coge el energy. Well, right now we're here waiting for the lady. She's still thinking about going on a jet ski. It's already paid for. It's gonna happen no matter what. You're just prolonging the situation.
Because we just ate. Who's gonna be recording, you or me?
You.
Okay, rule number 1, please don't go fast.
Yeah, it's nice out there and there's a lot of dolphins, so we might be able to see one.
Hopefully we get it on camera. So yeah, jet ski time. So we are ready to go.
Yep.
When Got the jet ski.
I know, you clamp this in the front of it. Eso se queda steady. En el clamp. ¡Nos fuimos! ¡Nos fuimos!
With the jet ski.
Sadly.
He had a great time. I had a great time. It was fun. Where are you going?
I'm gonna buy you a boogie boogie.
Oh, it was so fun, guys, and we rented for an hour, and it went by real
Felt like
quick.
15 minutes.
We're gonna do it again next time, but I'm gonna ride it by myself. It's a beautiful day. It's sunny.
Yeah. 90.
It's perfect. We set up the umbrella. Hopefully it doesn't break. And here's the beach. So we're gonna leave the phone in the car. I'm gonna leave it in the car.
Yeah. La sombrillita no se la llevó el viento.
The beach, it's perfect. Me caí mal.
It's good, bye. Ya se fue el día. Another day in Virginia.
Keep it
We got a lady.
We didn't record on the beach because I didn't want to
With the phone. Yeah. Well, now we're gonna go eat with some. Enjoy a little bit more of the sun and.
I think you can see my tan lines in there. See,
Yeah.
I forgot to take this out.
Yeah.
You guys, this is embarrassing. My bra, not my bra. The swimsuit keep coming down, and I was showing stuff nobody needed to see. So we can get the old.
Peace. No, tiene la arena ya. Échate para allá. Tiene la arena, mira.
That's my point. I want you to get out. It's my towel.
We're here again.
I like the sun.
Yeah, we got burned. Look at me. I look morenito. Raleigh me. So I blocked the sun from you or something.
It's like 6 or 7.
Hey! Fucking delicious.
Oh, he has a tan line. Man, it's like all over and it's sticky. Bye beach next time. Maybe we'll come tomorrow. Let's see how the weather is. If the weather's nice, then we'll come tomorrow. If not, we do something else. Do I look tan?
It. It's for all the money right here.
All right, right here. One
No, it's 10.
You want to drop the camera?
Yeah.
We went to Ruby Tuesday and we forgot to vlog.
Yeah. Te ciego. Oh, ¿qué tengo que ver? Yeah, so we forgot.
Today's our last day we're here. And then tomorrow we head home.
Mm-hmm. We
I
gotta
wanna
wake
go
up
home.
early so we can enjoy a little bit before we leave.
What are we doing tomorrow?
I don't know.
Jetski again.
Imagine.
We could.
Nope.
And I ride.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, we
matamos.
have to be so loud.
You know, vlogging is not about like looking at the camera, it's like talking you and me.
I don't want to go home, guys. Is that coming?
Ya voy con ellos.
Hot joint, another hot joint. Drop the drum with my town. So tell 'em, girl, you better get on out there and stop being so picky. Another hot joint, another hot joint. Drop the drum with my town. So tell 'em, girl, you better get on out there and stop being so picky.